Cleaning shouldn't feel like punishment. Meet the LEVOIT, a cordless stick vacuum that promises no cords, no tangled hair, and no sky-high price tag. Today, we're unboxing it, testing it, and finding out if it's really the game changer it claims to be. Lightweight, powerful, and designed for pet owners, families, and anyone tired of traditional vacuums. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, a unique anti-tangle brush, and 5-stage filtration tested to capture 99.9% of particles down to 0.3 microns, this vacuum isn't just about cleaning floors. It's about making cleaning stress-free. Let's unbox this beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Inside the box, we get vacuum body with detachable dustbin, motorized anti-tangle roller brush head, the hero for hair and carpets, 2-in-1 crevice tool for those hard-to-reach corners, 2-in-1 pet tool designed for fur and upholstery, charging adapter, washable filters. Everything is well packed, and the lightweight design is noticeable right out of the box. Design and build quality. Design-wise, the LVAC 200 nails it. At just 3.2 pounds, it's super easy to lift, move upstairs, or even use one-handed. The body is slim. The detachable dustbin is transparent so you can see when it's full, and it lies flat to reach under beds or sofas without heavy lifting. The brush head is TUV Rhineland, certified for anti-hair wrap, meaning you won't have to cut out tangled hair from the roller ever again. Add in the LED headlights, and suddenly cleaning in dark corners feels effortless. Features breakdown. Anti-tangle roller brush, battery life, 5-stage filtration, 180-degree flat design, multiple tools, 3 suction speeds, washable filters, and easy bin. These features may sound technical, but in daily life, they save time, energy, and frustration. Performance and cleaning demo. On hardwood, the suction is powerful enough that you barely need to go over the same spot twice. 99.7% pickup efficiency according to tests. On carpets, the turbo mode shines. Pet fur, crumbs, even sand gets pulled out effectively. With pets, fur sticks everywhere. The pet tool makes sofas look new again in minutes. The crevice tool handles tight car spaces like a pro. No more coins and crumbs stuck forever. The LEVOIT vacuum runs up to 50 minutes with attachments on eco mode, about 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 to 14 minutes on turbo. The detachable battery charges in about 4 to 5 hours, and since it's removable, you could keep a spare for bigger homes. Emptying the dustbin is a single button job. The axial design means less dirt residue compared to other vacuums. Filters and rollers are washable, keeping costs low and performance high. Overall, maintenance is quick and stress-free. So who is this vacuum for? Pet owners tired of fur battles. Families who want something lightweight but powerful. Students or apartment dwellers needing a compact, cordless solution. And honestly, anyone who hates cords, heavy vacuums, or tangled rollers. It's not just another vacuum. It's a thoughtful redesign of everything we hate about traditional vacuums. Lightweight, cordless, anti-tangle, with excellent filtration. No cords, no tangled hair, no 40,000 rupees price tag. Just fast, effective cleaning. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.